Hello friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot and today's video. So today's video is not really a testnet interaction, but it is an introduction to Taho Wallet. Taho Wallet is the first community-based Web3 wallet. This project was created with the help of Alchemy and they were able to raise about $563 million in funding. Taho is a direct competitor to MetaMask. They have also confirmed their own token, Taho, and that Taho is currently being used in their Play to Govern campaign. So this project have its own token and they are community based. Because of that, the probability of an airdrop is highly likely, and we all know these projects, they always reward their early supporters. We are still very early into Taho and people who are using it are not that much yet. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do in order to position yourself as one of its early supporters and also be in line to receive an airdrop when the time comes. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you are going to do is you are going to install Taho Wallet extension on your browser. So I'm going to put the link to the extension in the comment section for your convenience. So you're going to open the extension tab and then you're going to tap on Add to Chrome. Okay, so the extension is successfully installed, so I'm going to open it up. Now you can decide to create a new wallet or use your existing wallet, but for your own benefit, I will suggest that you import a wallet. How do you import a wallet? Choose the MetaMask wallet that you have been using for all of your testnet and airdrop interactions. Then paste the seed phrase of that particular wallet in your Taho wallet so that you can import your MetaMask wallet inside of Taho. So in that way, when you want to do like Galxe interactions and all of that, you won't have trouble trying to connect your wallet because you are still operating from the same wallet even if you are using Taho. And so the first thing you want to do now is you want to turn that toggle switch on. Let the toggle switch be facing the Taho logo and then go to settings and turn on testnet network so that if you want to use it for testnet interactions, it will be able to display your tokens, your testnet tokens. So the next thing we are doing is we are going to Taho community pledge and we are going to sign our Web3 pledge there. It is one of the requirements for using Taho. So I'm going to also put the link to the community pledge in the comment section. So you are going to tap on sign now. It will take you to the bottom, so tap on sign now again. You will see a prompt asking you whether you want to connect with Taho, so tap on connect. And then next you are going to sign with your Taho wallet, so tap on sign in and then tap on sign here. Paste your password and tap on unlock, just like you would use MetaMask exactly. Now the third task is to sign the pledge, the community pledge. So tap on it, tap on sign. So you have successfully signed your Web3 community pledge. The next thing, which is optional, is for you to share it on Twitter. You can decide to share on Twitter or not, it is optional, but I am going to go ahead and then share it. So after sharing, you will go back and then sign in with your Discord as well. So I'm going to tap on sign in with Discord. So I'll tap on it and then I'll tap on authorize for Taho to be able to access my Discord. But then you need to join their Discord server first before doing this. If you did not join the server, just like you are seeing error on my screen, you're going to receive this error message. So what you are going to do is you're going to join their Discord server first. I'll put the link in the comment section as well. Accept invite. And after joining, you have to verify yourself. If you do not verify yourself, you are not seen as a member of whatever community you are joining on Discord. So I'm going to scroll to the top of their server. I'll tap on verification. And then I'm going to tap on the first icon here. When you tap on it, you'll be verified automatically. So the next thing we are going to do is we are visiting Galxe. I'll put the link to their Galxe in the comment section as well. So you are going to connect to Galxe with your Taho wallet. And because you imported your MetaMask seed phrase earlier, you won't have issue with double accounts on Galxe. So you are going to sign the message so that Galxe can have access to your Taho wallet. So remember that at the beginning of this video, I explained that Taho is a community operated Web3 wallet. So One thing is required from you, and that is your active participation. So Taho wants you to actively participate in their activities. For example, if you look at some of the past tasks on their Galxe, it is mostly community calls. They do community calls every month, and you cannot claim their OTA and NFT unless if you joined that community call on Discord and you spend like the first 15 minutes interacting with them, just listening to their community, whatever they are saying in their community call. That is when you'll be able to claim. So let's do one. For example, I'm going to tap on their community call for October. Let's see if I will be able to claim the Galxe even after I have done the rest of the task. So sign in. So I have been to Taho Web3 pledge. I have pledged. That one is done. I have the verified role in their Discord server. That one is done as well. I'm going to follow Taho now. I am not following them already, so I'll follow them now. Let's see if I'll be able to claim. So that one is done. Then participate in the AMA. That was the AMA for October. Let's see if I tap on that reload icon. Let's see if I'll be able to claim this ult. And you can see that it's bringing me Airdrop. That was because I did not listen to their AMA with my Discord account in October. So you won't be able to claim the past odds and points, but at least now you'll be able to claim the future ones, and you now know what you need to do in order to be able to claim. So after making this video, I went back to Galxe and I am eligible to claim odds for a new task, and that is their November community call. And this is what I did in order to be able to claim it, just like I have explained earlier. If you look at my screen window, you will see that I am still listening to their community call for November. I was currently listening while I was doing this. So I have listened for about 15 minutes before coming here, and that made me eligible to be able to claim their odds and also 60 points. So if you see this one, I have done community pledge before at the beginning of this tutorial, and then the next one I joined their community call for November. Fortunately, it happened when I was still making this video, so I joined, I listened for 15 minutes, then came back to Galxe, and I was eligible to claim their odds and also points for November. So I'm going to claim now, then I'll move on to the next step. So now I have successfully claimed, as you can see here. I will now move on to the next task. We are going to guild.xyz. So for this guild, I actually had a lot of troubles while I was making this video. It took me several long minutes before I could, find out what happened. So when you want to attempt this guild, when you want to join their guild, this is what I'm going to ask you to do. You are going to go back to your wallet. If I tap on connect wallet now and then I choose MetaMask, it won't be able to connect. Remember I said when you are using Taho, it first, whatever it is you want to interact with, first send your interaction to MetaMask, and then it redirects you to Taho, where you'll be able to now use your Taho wallet to complete your interaction. But as for guild, it's like they have not done the integration for guild. So this is what you are going to do. That toggle switch, you are going to turn it back off. You are going to let the switch face MetaMask icon this time. Then go back to guild and then reload the website. If you did not do this, you will not be able to connect with Guild. So you are going to tap on connect to a wallet, and then Guild is going to connect with your MetaMask directly. So next, you are going to verify your wallet. You're going to sign the message, and I have been able to connect successfully. So if you do that, you won't have any issue with Guild. So you can see which of their roles that I have gotten. I have the verified Doggo role, like I am a verified member of their Discord server. I'm supposed to have a role for Twitter follower, but something is currently wrong with Twitter API, so Guild will not be able to access that. So the wallet address I am using currently do not fulfill the requirement to have the on-chain role. It may be a different thing in your own case depending on the wallet address you are using. So next, you are going back to Taho Wallet, and on the home page you are going to see Subscape is online. Check eligibility. So tap on check eligibility. So you need to switch your browser to desktop mode in order to be able to access this page. So if you are eligible to join their Subscape campaign, when the website is done loading, you have access to join immediately. But let's find out if I have access. First, you are going to connect your wallet. So connect with Taho. Choose Taho. Then you're going to tap on connect. So I do not have access at the moment, so I won't be able to join the campaign for now. However, since I do not have access at the moment, I am going to tap on get waitlist. So I will do that so that I'll be on the waitlist for the next batch of people that will be able to access their Subscape campaign. So here's the form for their waitlist. So the first thing I will do with the form is I'll connect my Taho wallet. So choose Taho. Tap on connect. Next, you are going to sign. Tap on sign. Paste your password and unlock your wallet. So this part is optional, but I am going to go ahead and do it, and that is connecting your Discord server. So I'm going to tap on connect Discord. If you do, you may be eligible to get some other roles later. So I'm going to tap on connect Discord. I'll tap on authorize. So Discord has been successfully linked. Now you are going to tap on submit, but before that, look for captcha and then check the captcha box. Then tap on submit. So I am done submitting the form. I'll move on to the next item. So go back to Taho Wallet and just do any random swap. I am currently on the Ethereum network, so I will switch network. I'll be choosing Arbitrum. Then choose any token under Arbitrum that you would like to swap between. So I'll be swapping Arbitrum USDCE into Arbitrum itself. So I'll choose USDCE and then I'll be swapping it into Arbitrum ETH. Tap on approve asset. Indicate your USDC spending cap and then tap on sign. When that is done, you are now going to tap on review swap. Tap on sign again. Transaction has been submitted to the blockchain. So you can just look around in the app. If you go to the NFT tab, you will see a list of all of the NFTs that you own on whichever network you are signed in. I'm currently signed in on Arbitrum. So you're going to see a list of all of the NFTs that I own on the Arbitrum network. So I'll switch to NFT tab and here they are. I actually like this aspect of this wallet because if it were MetaMask, it won't automatically display every asset, every NFTs that you own on any chain. You have to enter your contract address manually so that it can display it. But this is the first time I'm using this app and it is displaying everything I own here. So I think I like this aspect of the app. If you also switch to badges, then you see every other NFTs that you claimed through Galxe. So I'll switch to badges and you can see all of the NFTs I have been claiming from the Arbitrum Odyssey task. They are here. So about the Subscape campaign, I am going to check back after a couple of days. If I have been given access, then I'll be able to make part 2 tutorial on how you can go about the campaign. If you have any questions, drop me a comment in the comment section or join us on Telegram. It took me several hours today before I could be able to put all of these tutorials together because I have been having seriously bad internet connection on my end for the entire week. So if you have found value, please give me a like on this video and also subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.